Now it's time to make the topping for my baked sweet potatoes. What's in this container right here are some pureed mangoes and pineapples. Because it is December in Indiana, it's really hard to find some really good quality mangoes and pineapples. And my boys make smoothies all the time because I taught them how to do that. So I bought these frozen, and I feel like the flavor is a little bit better. But now it's time to season this. So what will happen is this will become a lovely puree that we will dump on the top of the baked sweet potatoes. And I'm just saying it up. I am a little salty right now because look at this. This is my cinnamon. There's like hardly anything in here because my children cook. And granted, on one hand, I taught them how to cook. They've been cooking. If you've been following me for a while, you know my kids have been cooking with me since they could walk. But what they don't, look in there. What they don't do, what they are not responsible with, is when they use up something. Like I said, when it gets to the halfway point, that's when you go put it on the board. But no, we want to just let it get down to the bottom. Take a deep breath, probably sip a mimosa later after this. I'm just going to move forward. So anyway, you know, we season until the ancestors say stop. So I'm going to put in a little bit of cinnamon. What's little left, some allspice. Allspice is a great season that really warms up stuff. Gonna put in some ginger. Ginger gives it that a little kick. Also is a warm seasoning as well. And then, because I like a little heat, a little sweet with the heat, I'm gonna put in some jerk seasoning. Now, granted, put in as much as little as you want. And yes, I know someone's gonna be like, but pineapples are naturally sweet. Why are you adding sugar? Because it's my video and it's my business. If you don't want to add sugar, don't add sugar. I'm adding sugar. See, I only added a little bit. And if I want to add a lot, that's my business as well. Now, I'm just gonna mix this up. And this will be a really nice topping to go on top of the baked sweet potatoes. I made this for my family one time before and they loved it, and I haven't made it since. And they're like, Mom, when are you gonna make this? So, today is their lucky day. I'm making it now because I just really want the seasons to sit in there. And of course, even though we season from the soul, we always like to check it. Make sure your hands is clean. Now I'm putting it in there. Give me a little sample. I wish I could taste this. Yeah, it's on point. It's just right. Now, personally, because I like things spicy, I will probably add a little bit of cayenne pepper to half of this. One of my sons and my husband is not for too much heat, so that jerk seasoning, that little jerk seasoning I put in, my husband's gonna be like, it's a little spicy. It's not that spicy. It's not that spicy yet. But yeah, this will go on top of the baked sweet potatoes, and I'll show you those later. I'm not going to bake them now because, like here in Indiana, Eastern time, it's like 7:20-ish, so too early for that.